This soup is filled with a bounty of fall vegetables. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Bounties of Veggies Soup. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Place a large soup pot on medium-high heat and add 1/4 cup vegetable broth. Once hot, add 1 cup diced onions and cook until translucent and beginning to darken, about 5 minutes, adding a little water if it becomes too dry or the onions start to stick. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of Bragg soy seasoning. 1 1/2 teaspoon minced garlic and 1 teaspoon each of Worcestershire sauce or vegan Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of spice seasoning and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir until the flavors are combined. Add 2 cups chopped mushrooms. Let cook until the mushrooms start to brown, but if it becomes too dry, add a little water. Once the mushrooms are nicely browned, add 2 cups chopped carrot, 1 cup diced celery, 1 cup diced bell pepper, 1 cup diced tomato. Stir and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add 4 cups vegetable broth. Add 2 cups of cooked beans. We used azuki beans. Stir well to combine and bring to a boil. Then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Add 1 cup chopped spinach leaves and 1 teaspoon each minced oregano and minced basil leaves. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. Or you can pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.